I think there's still quite a lot of people out there who don't like using emojis and they might think it's unprofessional and that you shouldn't do it. But I want to tell you that it turns out emojis are actually really effective in business. So using them in your email subject lines increases open rates. If you do split tests in general or look at other people's research, it'll show you. But in the case of LinkedIn, using emojis is also really great for adding a bit of color to what's otherwise a black and white post of text, right? And with LinkedIn news feeds, amongst pictures and videos, there's a lot of text, and what emojis do is they help break up that black and white text and add a little bit of color and character. And it also can help you communicate things and subtleties and nuances and things like sarcasm that are otherwise going to be a little more difficult to detect in when you're just using text. So great places to use emojis when it comes to LinkedIn. Typically using it with punctuation, using one at a time. I mean, I'm not going to teach an emoji course here, but I do want to suggest to you that it will make your content look even more pleasant to read. So consider using emojis in your LinkedIn posts to help draw people's attention and encourage them to read and consume your content.